One tool to rule them all: you won't need stoves or boilers anymore. Our microwavable cookware is the only thing you'll need to whip up a bowl of your favorite ramen. Less stress, right? Easy peasy cooking. Enjoy hassle-free cooking with our microwavable bowl. Just put your instant ramen in the container and let the microwave do all the work. Reheat and eat. Have some ramen in the fridge? Don't worry about wasting it because our microwave cooker is perfect for reheating leftovers. Simple cleanup. Don't have the time or energy to do the dishes? Don't worry. Our instant noodle bowl is completely dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after a quick meal has never been this easy. Perfect for the person on the go. Only have a few minutes to spare for a meal? Our instant ramen bowl is perfect for when you're short on time and craving ramen. This tool is ideal for busy parents, college students, or office workers. Top reviews from the United States. 18 months later, rapid ramen cooker. More than worth the money. I've used mine almost every day at work or at home for the kids. I've made many different kinds of ramen, mostly Asian ramen, literally 1,000s of time with this cooker. I've eaten directly out of it hundreds of times with metal utensils with no scarring or gouges evident. It's a snap to clean and I've ran it in the dishwasher almost every time I've used it. Still in great shape. Directions are embossed on the bottom with a waterfill line around all sides. I tend to put mine in the microwave for 3 minutes most times depending on the type, brand of ramen, in a 1000-watt microwave. Stir and leave on the counter for a few minutes, stirring occasionally before draining. I make all my ramen dry ramen style. In short, it's a time saver. I've had many people run their mouths about boiling water and doing it the standard method and this being pointless. I reply with the facts of the ramen being done by the time you get the water boiling. I don't have to attend it while it cooks and it doesn't make the house humid while it's summer. It's also great for college students as most aren't allowed anything but a microwave in their dorm. I got another one locally for my nephew. He agreed it works great. And it works way better than just boiling water in the microwave and cooking it in a Tupperware container.